Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Donald. How are you today? I'm at Nexus International School, Malaysia. The school is just behind me. Despite the perfect living condition near Nexus, many families just don't have the luxury staying together with their children for the full time. But don't worry, Nexus offers the best boarding house in the large KL region. Nexus Boarding House accommodates about 70 students from grade 5 to grade 13. The food there is fantastic. Buffet breakfast, lunch and dinner is provided every day, and laundry services are provided for 3 times a week. The boarders come from many different countries, so the boarding house looks like a small United Nation. One amazing thing is each child has got a house parent who is also from English-speaking country, so the children can improve their English very quickly. The house parent does not only look after the boarder's life, they also take care of their study and communicate between the parents and the school teacher. There are many activities at the weekend, so that's a very good learning experience for all the boarders. Alright guys, let's go inside Nexus Boarding House, have a look there. Let's go.
All Nexus International School learners aged between 10 and 18 years old are welcome to stay at the Nexus Boarding House. Opened in October 2011, the Nexus Boarding House is home to over 60 boarders from New Zealand, Malaysia, China, Australia, UK, Korea, India, Japan, Bangladesh, and Vietnam. Nexus Boarding provides learners with a supportive community, multicultural environment, and balanced program that aims to nurture boarders to be independent and respectful of others. At Nexus Boarding House, learners are given the freedom and space to excel and gain life skills that will hold them in good stead. So wait no more, apply now to discover your room to grow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we make another video. Goodbye!